How Bhagavad Gita can change your life. We are all victims of the very stressful and sometimes cruel world. Not knowing what to do, how best to handle, we keep on suffering and remain under stress. This does not allow us to grow. We start thinking that life is a burden, and like all others, we also have to suffer. There is no alternative. But this is not true. It is so because of ignorance. In fact, lack of knowledge about life, it does not allow us to appreciate the significance of this great gift, human life. It creates confusion in the mind, and we are not able to set out our goals. We remain totally unaware of what to do, how to go about performing our duty. Uncertainty and doubt, these cloud our mind to such an extent that we cannot see things clearly. Undoubtedly, knowledge and insights about science of life, about art of life, help us to carve out a path of growth and progress. Knowledge also helps us to focus our duty, sense of duty, our karma. In this regard, Lord Krishna has explained the 6 elements of life very clearly to Arjuna, which will definitely help us to find our path. Lord Krishna says, according to the scriptures, various attributes, knowledge, deed, and doer, these are all classified into 3 categories. I shall now explain these to you. Knowledge, Lord Krishna says, brings out essential unity of indestructible, indivisible soul. That knowledge is considered as sattvic knowledge. But the knowledge which gives an impression that all living beings are individuals with their own attributes should be considered as rajasic. And the knowledge which is engaged in transient body and which does not permit beyond that and which is devoid of any creative meaning should be considered as tamasic. Now these are the 3 categories: sattvic, rajasi, and tamasi knowledge. Now he further describes 3 categories of karma. Action which is performed according to the principles laid down in the scriptures and is carried out by a person free from ego and jealousy and is performed without attachment to the result is called sattvic karma. But the action which is not free from ego or attachment and which is performed under great stress by a proud person, that is known as rajasic karma. The action which began without any consideration of its result, loss, violence, and the ability to perform, but is started purely on ignorance, is called tamasic karma. Arjun, the doer or the performer who is free from attachment, doesn't speak with ego and is full of patience and enthusiasm. That performer who is free from blemishes of joy and sorrow regarding the success or failure of his action is known as sattvic performer. But the performer who is attached with the result, who is greedy, who causes trouble to others and harbors excess emotions of joy or sorrow, he is known as rajasic. The person who disobeys scriptures, who impedes the livelihood of others, and who is arrogant, lazy, morose, and who procrastinates his duty, is known to be under influence of tamas. Arjun, you must also know the three categories of wisdom and determination, that is, choices, depending upon their qualities and attributes. The choice or the wisdom that teaches you how to perform your duty while remaining a householder in the name of God, and the wisdom that understands duty and non duty, fear and fearlessness, attachment and non attachment, is known as sattvic wisdom. That is the right kind of wisdom. But Arjun, the wisdom that does not distinguish between one's religion and sin or duty or non duty is known as Rajasic wisdom. And the wisdom that considers non duty as duty, sin as religion, and considers only wrong as right is called Tamasic wisdom. Parth, the determination of the mind, the choices of the mind, which emerge out of devotion to Almighty the God, and is carried out by a person whose mind, soul, and body is called sattvic. Sattvic choice, sattvic determination. But when a person acts to fulfill his determination, which is arrived with the deep sense of desire for the result, and is full of attachment, it is known as Rajasic. And Parth, the determination of an evil-minded person which engages himself in fear, worry, laziness, sorrow, and because of which he cannot come out of these negative emotions, is called tamasic determination. Arjun, even happiness is of three kinds, which I shall explain to you. Happiness, which is derived from the love of God, meditation, and the service to humanity, and which causes the end of sorrows. Though such a happiness appears to be cumbersome in the beginning, but the result of which is like Amrit, nectar, is known as Sattvic, which should be pursued. But the happiness which is derived out of the senses and sensibilities, though it appears heavenly during the enjoyment, but carries feeling of guilt at the end, is called Rajasic. However, the happiness which stupefies the soul in the beginning or in the end, such happiness is perceived through laziness, sleep, and inaction. Procrastination is known as tamasic. Arjun, having understood all these six important elements of life, that is knowledge, action or karma, and the performer, the type of performer, wisdom or choices that you make, determination, what you determine to do, and finally the definition of happiness, what makes you feel happy. So if you have a proper perspective on these six elements, you will have a growth, you will have a peaceful, you will have a life which you will love, which is a gift to be loved, and you'll have no problem, you'll have no regret at any given time.